team still building pipelines for every new data source? Is inconsistent data quality undermining executive confidence in analytics? Are manual processes slowing your time to insight and exposing your business to risk? What's the cost of hidden data anomalies to your bottom line? Your competitors are accelerating their data strategies. Every day spent on manual builds is a day lost to market opportunity. Can your organization afford to lag behind? Hard-coded pipelines create technical debt. Manual validation increases risk. Without automation and AI, data strategies stay reactive. Now, imagine pipelines driven by configuration, not code. Data quality, testing, and AI built in by design. Meet Evoke's Microsoft Fabric Data Accelerator, built for speed, trust, and scale. Powered by 4 integrated frameworks: metadata-driven orchestration, data quality, test automation, AI data profiling. Configure once using metadata. Automatically ingest, transform, validate, test, and monitor data across bronze, silver, and gold layers. See everything in real time. With configuration over code, teams achieve 30 to 50% faster data onboarding, up to 70% reduction in manual testing, fewer production issues, analytics-ready, trusted data. Accelerate your data strategy with pipelines built by configuration, quality, testing, and AI included. Book your executive demo today.